Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how I pack this shoebox rather than unbox it. This is for a boy 5 to 9. Last year I did a how to pack for a girl 5 to 9 that I will have linked at the end of this video. This box is the same length across as a standard OCC box. It is 1 inch wider in width, but it is 1 inch shorter in height. I ordered these last year from Amazon, and I do like how the child could color and decorate the box. I like to put most of my flat things at the bottom, so here is the postcard and picture that I will write his message on. And themed boxes are so fun to do, but you do not need a theme for a box to make it great. Then I'm adding his notebook. I like getting notebooks that have a more water-resistant cover. I'm giving him a full-size coloring book with stickers inside. I like how this coloring book shows different people and places all around the world. I picked up this craft that he could do with a sibling or friend. It makes 2 dinosaur pinwheels with picture instructions. Two toothbrushes. I almost always put them in the back of the boxes, these boxes, the same way. And the same with the jump rope. Pretty much goes in the same place. I found this shirt last year at the end of summer, marked down to $3.99. It is a size 10. So I'm putting this in where the collar will overlap a little at the top. His pencil pouch. Now I didn't want to, but I put his underwear in the pouch because it was the best way I could fit it in while keeping it from just laying open in the box. This underwear is also size 8. He has pencils that go with the case, 3 Crayola markers, and then an eraser and 2 good quality sharpeners that I buy in bulk from Amazon. A roll of washi tape, a see-through Hot Wheels car and scissors, a whistle. I'm going to add some skateboard stickers in with the whistle. I love that these are waterproof, and he might want to use them to decorate his box. And it is very important to add school supplies to your shoe boxes for the kids so that they have the best opportunity to go to school. So I'm just going to lay it as flat as possible. And I think it will be fun for him to go through that, kind of like a big blind bag. I'm giving him a very durable tote bag. I think these are an important thing to give the kids to carry all their items home and be able to use it many times over. And then his Crayola crayons. Another great item to add, Old Navy flip-flops I picked up for under $1 at the end of the summer season. They are big kid size 4. His wow item. Now soccer balls are one of the best wow items, but they can be hard to find at a good price. That's what I have found in my experience this year. These are called Magta sticks, and I bought these after Christmas last year. They were marked down at Canadian Tire. And those were the picture instructions. I put the Magta sticks in a food grade container. And then I'm just adding in a second pair of size 8 underwear and these will also help to protect the Magta sticks from moving around or getting scratched. I'm giving him 3 skateboard stickers of giraffes because his little friend is a giraffe. And the giraffe with the little blue bow tie, I'm going to put at the top so that it is looking at him when he sees it. And I hope it will make him smile. And there's his little giraffe friend. This is about the biggest stuffed animal I could fit in this box. He has a ball that I just picked up from Old Navy for 25 cents. It really is like playing Tetris when you pack these boxes. And there is his soap in a Ziploc bag with a breathable soap saver. And I gave him another notebook. I wanted to use that space in the wire, so I put in a click pen, and he could also use this as a journal. I decided to leave this blank so that he could possibly put whatever stickers he wanted to on it, and just to be creative. So that is my box that I packed, and this is the part where you just cross your fingers and you say a little prayer and you begin to close it. Now these boxes, they do have a lot of give to them, and I haven't had one of these break on me yet. I will add the label and mark the age category on it. I also write on the box in case the tag falls off. And that is how I packed this box. Thank you for joining me.